Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. And as you can see, I'm in my unboxing place, and that's because we have something to unbox. So today we are unboxing the Nike Plus Apple Watch Obsidian on black Sportsman. So let's go. Okay, so this band actually has a great story. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it, and yeah, didn't get to buy it because it was really expensive, and it still is. But yeah, I was about to buy it in March, but then I knew that I was going to buy the new Apple Watch, and I said, well, I'm going to wait to see if they are compatible, and they are. So that's nice. If you want to find this on Apple's website, it will not appear in where you see all the bands. You have to scroll all the way down, and then you will see bands from other seasons, and that's where you'll find it. So yeah, let's go and unbox it. It's got an easy lid that we can pull right here, and it will open us the sports band, and then we can reveal it. So, as you can see, this is what we get inside. It says Apple Watch Nike Plus. Luckily my Apple Watch is the Nike Plus edition, although it can fit any Apple Watch. And yeah, now if we open it, we have three parts. The one in the middle gets the large band, and the one down below gets the smaller one. So yeah, now I'm going to put it in my Apple Watch. Switch the bands. Okay, so here it is. I love how it looks. I mean, it's great, and look at the back with that Series 4 back. It's awesome. And the one thing I love about this, because I was about to get the midnight blue band, because I wanted a blue band, and I was thinking of the midnight blue one just for it to match with my iPhone case, but I ended up getting this one because of this. The actual peg where you adjust it to your wrist is space gray, so it will match my Apple Watch perfectly. And this is it. I actually love how it looks. It's also nice to have a sports band, a new sports band with just out of the box touch, because yeah, the only sports band that I had is the one that came with my original Apple Watch, so as you can imagine, it has almost 3 years now, and although it's in really good shape, it of course doesn't preserve all this touch. So yeah, I love how it looks. It looks just great, just stunning, and yeah, I'm really happy I bought it. However, these bands are expensive. Apple's first party bands are really expensive, and yeah, it's on the price you have to pay. So yeah, what do you think about this band? Did you like it as much as I do? I say it's hard to like it as much as I do. Please let me know down below. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Don't forget to thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.